Hey Mecha fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be looking at these two model kits. Finally, an upgraded master grade version of the Master Gundam. This is a plastic model kit by the brand Burning Soul. This will feature an alloy skeleton assembly that reimagines the iconic GF13 001 NH2 Master Gundam from the Mobile Fighter G Gundam. This will include pre-painted parts straight out of the box to minimize the need for extra painting. Estimated release date is around August to September of 2026. Estimated price is around 195 RMB, approximately about 40 to 45 US dollars depending on where you're getting it from. Next on the list is the Awakened Kyrios. Hallelujah! This is a highly detailed 1:100 scale resin style model kit produced by the Super Soldier brand based on the official master grade GN-003 Gundam Kyrios from the Mobile Suit Gundam 00. It features intricate armor paneling, a magnetic LED chest light, and a full transformation into flight mode. Compared to the standard master grade release, this utilizes high-level resin conversion style parts, allowing for aggressive color separation. This includes a magnetic control illuminated light assembly for the chest, and features deployable large missile base and dual replaceable antennas, which is not found on the original master grade of Bandai. The full transformation maintains the gimmicks into high-speed fighter mode. This is priced around 179 RMB, roughly about $27 US, depending where you're getting it from, so price may varies. And we get some exclusive parts for this version which is not found on the original Bandai version. Official release date is slated around the first half of 2026.